This is a question that a lot of people struggle with. It's a question obviously which relates the volume of the cone in an algebraic formula. Now, in order to do this, it's really all about this sentence here. The volume of the cone is 12 pi centimeters cubed. Now, the volume of a cone, you know from the formula book, is given as this. So what you need to do is equate the general formula for the volume of a cone, a third pi r squared h, to the specific value here, which is 12 pi. So that gives you a third pi r squared h equals 12 pi. And from here, it says find an expression for r in terms of h. So it wants you to write r equals something. Well, it tells you that in the end of the question. That's obvious. So now we've got to try and simplify and make r the subject. Well, first thing we can do is divide both sides by pi. That gives us a third r squared h equals 12. We can then multiply both sides by 3. That gives us r squared h equals 36. Divide by h, we get r squared equals 36 over h. And this is the important bit. You should end up with r squared before going to r and not try and do some funny square rooting thing beforehand, otherwise you run into problems. Square root of a fraction means you square it at the top and square it at the bottom, so we get r equals 6 over root h. Why is it not plus minus root h? Well, if you had minus root h, then you get r as being negative, and of course you can't have a negative length, so it's just 6 over root h.